So I will start the demonstrations for our saveV milestone 2 video. So it's the same as milestone 1, we're going to try to refer to the attached link here. For mobile user, please ensure that you have Expo Go application downloaded on your local mobile phone's environment. So by using this attached link, I will be prompted to the website by choosing Expo Go, and I will be prompted to our application now. So before that, let me try to sign out and we will have a re-login section together. So I will try to prompt into my account with my password. So this is my password, which I can hide or either show it as well. So before I further to illustrate some example feature that we have been trying to update for the milestone 2, I will try to demonstrate for the bugs that we have fixed for the milestone 1. So we have received some feedback saying that the reset email section for current email and password, the keyboards might not be visible for the users to try to prompt their new password and the email. So for these cases, we have been solved this problem by using the scroll view element, and now you can actually try to set a new password. Yeah. So this is the feature that I've been showing in milestone 1, so I'll skip and move forwards to introduce some of the new features in our milestone 2. Back to the homes. So now you can see actually we introduced the idea of posting feature, while user can try to make their own posting by stating with captions, description, as well as some specific spending range, which we'll be using as one of the very important feature for our milestone 3 development on the AI recommendation system. So for example, for this post, we can try to press to the post to see the details of the post. So first, we can see the caption, which is the potato noodle here, while the descriptions of it as a home mat here. As another user, we can try to saying that try to give a comment for the post. For example, looks good. Then I can return and my comments will be updated to the post. So as well as I can give it a like even for the post, and I can save the post if I wish to explore the homemade potato noodle spots next time. So depends on it. Next, we can try to go and see how as a user we can create a new posting. So for example, if I try to add a post, I can try to see perhaps I would wish to share this for these cases. So for information, we can share up to 10 photo in these cases. So let me add for this. And for this title, I would say good cookie recommendation spot. This is the cookie made by some NUSCCA group. So for example, I would like to return down for their sorry, let me get the things done. Yep. So for the next thing, I would like to input for the spending range, which is for example $10 for this. So next, we can try to save the post. Before we save our post, we will be prompted to the payment detail. For information, every user who wish to upload a post on our saveV application would be used to be pay for a $1.09 charge. So for the payment detail, since we are just a prototype for the application server, we do not collect the real money in the real life. Instead, we can let you to try the feature by using the card number 4242 and the month and year, which is more than the current year. For example, if I try to use 23, it will give you an error signal and you will be not able to save the payment detail for this, because we are currently at June 2024 and we can only prompt a card expiry date which is later from our current date, and a CVC is just any 3 number will be due. Okay, so next we can give a pay, and it will need some time for the process. So now we have done our payments and we can print out our receipt. So as you can see, we have the function for you to try to save the receipt of the file to our iCloud drive. So for example, I make it a done here, and you can see our new posting with the good cookie recommendation spot has been uploaded to our server. So what if I wish to save the posting that I might be interested in the future? I can put it as save here. And how do I access to the save post that I have been saved just now? Just you need to go to the preference management here, and you will see the good cookie recommendation spots, which as a save post here. So back to the home thing sections. Now I will show you how do I access to my receipt just now. So for example, I can open my file and come out from this, and I will see the receipt just now, which is the time, the invoice number for unique for each posting payment details, as well as the desired email address that should be registered for our application as well. And we have the description and the quantity for you as a record for this. Back to our application. Now I will introduce a new feature of that. We can search the post that we have been post for the previous by us or the other user. So for example, I wish to search good cookie. When I give it a search, I will automatically be prompted to the posting that I have been uploaded just now. Even though I do not require to prompt into a full sentence of good cookie recommendation spot, I will still be able to get the similar caption that's similar to my prompts in order to using this searching feature. So this is also one of the main highlights of our saveV application for you to incorporate the ideas of spending power and the posting. So that's all for the demo for our milestone 2. Thank you so much.